Welcome back. Ever feel like your workday is just a blur of copy-paste routines? Like dragging details from email to your task list, forwarding calendar invites, or double-entering info in a spreadsheet? Well, today's the day you stop doing all that manually. We're diving into 4 of the most useful Zapier automations that almost every professional can benefit from, whether you're in marketing, project management, freelancing, or just trying to stay sane. You'll see how one simple trigger, like starring an email or starting a new day, can spark a chain reaction that saves you time, reduces errors, and gives your brain some much-needed breathing room. Let's begin with the first automation, the Daily Agenda Zap. This one's a fan favourite. Picture this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and instead of scrambling through your calendar app, Slack sends you a DM at 7 a.m. listing all your meetings for the day. Clean, formatted, and in your local time. Here's how it works. Step 1. Set the trigger to New Day in Google Calendar. This kicks things off every morning. Step 2. Use the formatter tool inside Zapier to convert event times into your local time zone. Step 3. Add an action to send a Slack message to yourself. The message pulls in each event with start times, names, and links, all arranged beautifully. It's like having a virtual assistant who hands you your schedule while you're still brushing your teeth. Next up, Email to Notion Task Converter, aka your Inbox Zero Helper. If you star an email in Gmail, it likely means it needs follow-up. But instead of hoping you'll remember, Zapier steps in. Here's the flow. Trigger a new starred message in Gmail. Then, optionally, you can add OpenAI to summarize the email in 2 sentences. Finally, it creates a new task in Notion. It includes the sender's name, the summary, and a due date set to 3 days from today. It removes that mental burden of "don't forget to follow up on that" and places the task right where it belongs, on your productivity dashboard. Now let's switch gears to something many of you use already, Google Forms. Say you collect responses for client onboarding, surveys, or project intake using a Google form. Instead of checking responses manually or copy-pasting them into a dashboard, here's what you do. Trigger the Zap when a new Google form response is submitted. The first action adds that response as a new row in your Google Sheet. That sheet could already be set up with graphs, filters, or charts that auto-update. Want to take it a step further? Add a filter step. For example, only continue the Zap if contract signed is marked as yes. Then you could send a Slack message to your sales channel. New client onboarded, details logged. This flow helps you stay on top of real-time events without being glued to your inbox or spreadsheet. And finally, here's a slick one. Notion Task Status, Email Reminder. Let's say you're waiting on a client. You update a Notion Task Status to Waiting on Client. Zapier notices the change. It checks if the new status matches, then sends a templated follow-up email through Gmail. But what if they still don't reply? You can add a delay step, say 3 days, and check again if the status is still waiting on client. If it is, Zapier sends a gentle second reminder. No need for sticky notes, calendar pings, or you manually chasing responses. It's polite, automated persistence. So, in this lecture, you've now seen 4 powerful workflows. Calendar, Slack for your morning agenda, Gmail, Notion to turn flagged emails into tasks, Google Forms, Sheets for live dashboards, and Notion. Email to handle automated nudges. And along the way, you've picked up some key tools like formatters, filters, multi-step zaps, and delays. These zaps are like the duct tape, holding your daily tools together, quiet, powerful, and massively time-saving. Next, grab your Zapier setup cheat sheet in the Resources tab and build one of these for yourself. Try it, test it, and post a before versus after time estimate in the course forum. Let's start stacking those minutes you just saved because they add up fast.